And the race is on. Speedy Kim from the outside by the rally Kim possible. And rushing up is Don Ezekiel. It's now Don Ezekiel. Speak low. Kim possible. Speedy Kim. Matter of Honor is racing in fifth by the rally. Yes, Joey, 5 o'clock. And Princess Tokai is the early trailer. Don Ezekiel working towards the back, followed by Spiklo, and on the outside, Speedy Kim. Rushing up now is Yes Joey. Rounding the far turn, Don Ezekiel, Speedy Kim, Spiklo, Yes Joey. Joining them by the rail, making rules Matter of Honor. Racing towards the last 450 and going to a long, nice stretch run with Don Ezekiel. Yes, Joey from the outside. Matter of Honor sneaking down on the inside. Last 200. It's Don Ezekiel. Yes, Joey rushing up from the outside. Speedy Kim. It's now Yes, Joey by some 2 lengths. And finally, number 2, Yes, Joey, Speedy Kim. Don Ezekiel, 5 o'clock, Matter of Honor, Speak Low, Impossible, and Princess Tokay.